If you have ever finished mopping your floors only to realize they still feel sticky, streaky, or slightly grimy, that is exactly the problem the Tineco S9 Master is designed to solve. This is not just another wet floor cleaner packed with extra buttons and buzzwords. The S9 Master changes the way floors are cleaned by using true high temperature hot water and high pressure spray to melt, lift, and remove dirt instead of simply pushing it around. From greasy kitchens to pet messes and stubborn buildup hiding in corners, this machine is built for real homes and real messes. Special thanks to Tineco for sponsoring today's video and allowing us to take a deeper dive into the S9 Master. If you want to learn more, the link is in the video description. The biggest difference starts with heat. The Tineco S9 Master cleans with up to 90 degrees Celsius hot water, and that matters more than you might think. Hot water breaks down grease and sticky residue instantly, so stains that usually take multiple passes with cold water disappear on contact. There is no film left behind, no chemical residue, and no slippery feeling after you finish. Floors come out clean, dry, and truly ready to walk on. For families with kids or pets, that chemical-free high-temperature cleaning adds a layer of peace of mind you can actually feel. Where the S9 Master really separates itself is with its 90 kilopascal high-pressure hot water spray. With one click, you can blast targeted messes exactly where they hide. Dried pasta sauce, muddy footprints, hardened honey, sticky jam, or grime packed into corners and cracks are gone in seconds. Traditional mops and even most competitors simply cannot reach or apply enough force in those areas. This feels less like mopping and more like pressure washing your floors in a controlled, indoor, safe way. Once the dirt is lifted, the Tineco S9 Master does something most floor cleaners struggle with. It dries immediately. The magnetic TMR squeegee system pulls water back as you mop, leaving floors dry, streak-free, and slip-free in one smooth motion. There's no waiting around for floors to dry and no watermarks left behind, even on wood. You can clean, you can pull back, and you are done. Design is another area where the S9 Master quietly dominates. With an ultra-slim 9.9 centimeter body, it reaches under cabinets, sofas, and tight furniture gaps that thicker cleaners simply cannot access. Add in the 150-degree green dust revealing lights, and suddenly dirt you did not even know was there becomes impossible to miss. Hair, crumbs, and fine debris in dark corners or along edges are fully exposed and removed, not ignored. Daily usability is just as impressive. The large water tank and efficient system allow for full home cleaning without constant refills. It runs quietly at under 52 decibels, makes it easy to clean early mornings or evenings without disturbing anyone. When you are done, the S9 Master cleans itself using 85 degrees Celsius hot water, keeping the roller brush hygienic and odor-free. The tangle-free brush design means pet hair does not wrap and clog, even in high-shedding homes. Compared to other hot water floor cleaners, including popular alternatives, the Tineco S9 Master is thinner, hotter, and more powerful and more versatile. Many competitors rely on lower temperatures, thicker bodies, or lack a pressure jet entirely. That means more scrubbing, more missed dirt, and more time spent going back over the same spots. The S9 Master combines continuous hot water, high-pressure spray, instant drying, and unmatched reach into a single machine. The real takeaway is simple. The Tineco S9 Master is not about stacking features. It is about solving the actual problems people have with floor cleaning. Grease melts instantly, corners get cleaned properly, floors dry as you mop. Kids can crawl, pets can roam, and you are not left wondering what was missed. This is what modern floor cleaning should feel like: faster, cleaner, safer, and finally finished in one pass.